Meaning of Dartington.
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 Dartington. Dartington is a small village located in Devon, England. The name Dartington is believed to have originated from the River Dart that runs through the village and the Old English word tun, which means farmstead or village. Dartington has a rich history dating back to the medieval era, with a castle that once stood on the site now occupied by the Dartington Hall estate. Today, Dartington is known for its cultural heritage, including the Dartington International Summer School and the Dartington Hall Trust, a charitable organization focused on promoting social justice and environmental sustainability.